Welcome to Mountain of Serenity, a 5-minute focus meditation designed to cultivate self-focus, inner strength, and self-motivation. In this session, we will invite you to visualize yourself as a mountain, embodying its stillness, majesty, and unwavering strength against the elements. Find a comfortable, quiet space where you can sit or lie down, undisturbed. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and let it out slowly. As you begin to relax, let's embark on a journey to discover the mountain within you. With each breath, feel your body becoming more relaxed. Inhale deeply, drawing in peace and calm. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension or stress. Imagine with every inhale, you're gathering strength from the earth beneath you. With every exhale, you're letting go of what no longer serves you. Continue this breathing pattern, feeling more grounded and serene with each breath. In your mind's eye, visualize a magnificent mountain. This mountain is tall, solid, and majestic, standing firm amidst the landscape. Its peak touches the sky, while its base is rooted deeply in the earth. This mountain is you. You are the embodiment of strength, stillness, and serenity. Take a moment to see yourself in this form, unshakable and majestic. As a mountain, you witness the changing seasons, the weather, the sun, the moon, and the stars, all from your place of stillness. You see the clouds forming and dispersing, the rain falling, the snow covering your peaks, and yet you remain unchanged, strong. Feel this strength within you. Like the mountain, you have the inner strength to withstand any challenges life throws your way. Now focus on the core of your mountain. Feel a surge of power and stability from your base, filling you up with an unwavering sense of inner strength. With every breath, this feeling intensifies. You are immovable, powerful, and calm. No matter the storms, the winds, or the changing seasons around you, you remain solid and serene. This strength is your nature, always accessible to you. As you continue to embody the mountain's serenity, turn your focus inward. Within you is a well of motivation and self-focus. Like the mountain that stands firm, reaching for the sky, you have goals and aspirations reaching for your own skies. Let this visualization remind you of your potential, your capabilities, and your inner strength to achieve what you set your mind to. Begin to bring the essence of the mountain back with you. Keep the feeling of strength, stability, and serenity in your heart. Remember, like the mountain, you can weather any storm and remain calm and majestic through all the seasons of life. Gently start to bring your awareness back to the room, to the present moment, keeping this sense of peace and strength within you. Take a deep breath in, feeling refreshed, focused, and motivated. As you exhale, gently open your eyes. Carry this mountain's serenity with you throughout your day, knowing that you have an unshakable inner strength. Thank you for joining me in Mountain of Serenity. May you move through your day with the stillness and majesty of the mountain within you. If this meditation has brought a moment of calm to your day, consider joining our growing community. By subscribing to our channel and clicking the like button, you help us share the power of meditation with more souls searching for tranquility in this bustling world. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a moment of peace. Each like, subscription, and share not only supports our channel, but also spreads positivity and mindfulness to others. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. Remember, peace starts within, And through our collective calm, we can make the world a more serene place. Until next time, namaste.